Kinetic Vision is an R&D consulting firm that's focused on developing and integrating advanced technology to drive innovation.
There are sales and marketing going on every day on shelf at retail through packaging. And that packaging has to impact that specific consumer personally.
When you're developing a product around packaging, it's critical that the end decision maker can hold the final product in their hands.
And that's where the J55 comes in, is that we can adapt to consumers faster and at a higher level than we've ever been able to do it before.
By being able to have 3D printers available to our Kinetic Vision design team, we're able to shorten that design cycle.
It's incredible, the impact of the J55 on our process. What we typically do is, really amazing images or graphics, and we put that up on the wall, and then we let the consumers or the clients view it. However, with the J55, we can actually get there in just a few days to a place that is on the edge of reality, which is something we've never been able to do before. We actually have coined the term retail-ready prints, to where it looks like it should be on shelf, and where in almost the same amount of time we were only going to here. Which one would you want to show, right? So for this particular concept, we were doing a design sprint. We wanted to see what would actually happen if we added the J55 to that process. And so we decided to do a retail drink. And so we developed a brand, we developed graphics, we developed structure, and we did all of that within a 2-week period.
Not only are the graphics intricate and colorful, but we're playing with opaque materials, we're playing with transparent materials, which is one of the reasons why we are leveraging the J55 printer, because we can take advantage of all of its unique features to really make those ideas come to life.
So we have alternate lids that we've created. You can see that actually intertwines, it works. There's actually liquid printed in this, so you're actually seeing the color that's actually inside, that the passion tea would actually be colored. So it's printing completely transparent and colored transparent colors at the same time, as well as opaques. So if we are showing this to a client, we can give them every detail of the product itself, which is absolutely incredible.
Being able to leverage Polyjet technology, the J55, we're able to jump past some of those firms that are not adopting that technology.
We sent this to a customer, and they called us and said, hey, where can we actually buy this product because it looks amazing? We said, no, that product doesn't even exist. That's just a product we created. And they were stunned because of the J55 print. They thought it was actually real.
We give our customers a competitive edge. They're able to take their product to market faster, develop better products, be the best on shelf.
To be able to hand this to a client and to watch their eyes light up, their mouth open up and say, oh my goodness, how did you do this? How long did this take? That's their responses. It's amazing. And so the impact for them is incredible. And obviously all of that reflects back on us.